I see that Dan also has a question. What should I consider when creating a list of colleges? Thank you for your question, Dan. You should consider the size of the school, how far it is from home, whether it is public or private, if you want to stay in state. Remember that if you are in state, you will get in-state tuition, and that could be lower. But there's also a lot of private schools that charge out-of-state tuition to everyone that are fairly generous. So this depends on what you want, and you have to look at every school, create a list of 8 to 12 universities, and look at what the pros and cons of going to each of them is, or are rather. So that's something that you have to do on a school by school basis. All right. Great question. And thank you for asking. And if you guys have any other questions, please let me know. We are live for the next couple of minutes. Again, if you want to follow us on social media, because we will be live again tomorrow, it's Best College Aid USA on Instagram and TikTok, so that you do not miss those lives and all the content that we post inside Best College Aid.